Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Lucky Line number 77075. This is a package of 50 2-inch diameter split key rings, and we'll take a closer look at this key ring. When you purchase one, you're purchasing a bag of 50, so be mindful of that. Let's take one out of the packaging here and get a closer look at it. This is 2-inch. Let's say you'd be able to get easily 15 keys on this key ring, if not more. Quite a bit of keys you'd be able to hold on a key ring of this size. If you need key rings this big, you might want to look into master key work that we can help you with. They say 2-inch. I'm finding that 2-inch is basically the inside dimension of this keyring. Tempered steel, nickel-plated, what they would call a split keyring. That bag of 50 weighs 1.12 pounds. Resilient tempered steel, won't lose shape even after repeated use. Made of nickel-plated tempered steel, again. Now, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where we can pull up the catalog where this resides. So let's do so now on screen and we'll take a look at it. Okay, so this is the item that we are looking at here on our screen. Your 77075. Now if we click the link to the manufacturer's page as seen here, it'll pull up the manufacturer's page. It'll pull up catalogs as well. We've got a couple of older ones at this time. Well, the version 20 is the most current that we have available to us, and we're looking for the 77075. If you just did a find or a search find function on your keyboard for the part number, you'll find the page where the nickel-plated tempered steel rings are located. It's on page 24 of that version 20 catalog, and indeed, it's right here. Okay. Now what's nice about this table and this page is that it will show you all of the other sizes available. So this is an industrial pack, which means it's bulk packaging, you know, in a bag. You've got 2-inch size, you've got 50 in a package. Okay. This table is nice because it will show you not only the different sizes, but the different quantity as well. If you wanted that same 200 pack, pardon me, that same 2-inch, but in 100 pieces, you would simply order the 77010. You only need 10 of them. Well, here's your part number as well. Okay, black oxide key rings. Those are not stock. They're not unheard of. They're every once in a while someone asks for a black key ring. Okay, retail packaging is up here as well, and this will allow you to see the different sizes and how it's packaged that would be suitable for a locksmith shop or the impulse checkout aisle of the local hardware store, etc. Okay, sizes and quantities indicated here how they're packaged. Card, which is CD, which is carded on a cardboard backer. Box, small jar. Okay, counter display, lots of different key rings available. Now the rest of this catalog is really handy because it will allow you to review not only all things key management hardware from Lucky Line, which is certainly going to include, you know, spring-style wrist coils. It will include every type of imaginable key identifier. We scroll through this book. A lot of merchandising material is what Lucky Line is into as well. But key tags of different varieties, swivel ring style or bent over style, ball chain style. You'll see those on luggage, attached to luggage all the time naturally. Countless varieties of this material. Lucky Line does a lot of printing on the material themselves, meaning if you wanted to have material personalized for your application, you would certainly be able to get it from Lucky Line. Okay, paper key tags, brass key tags are here as well. Aluminum, made of paper as well. Obviously, key identifiers are incredibly common, etc. Let's wrap up this video on So the name Lucky Line is quite synonymous with key management hardware, as you can see from that catalog review. And if you have more than an occasional need for key management hardware, you'll want to likely bookmark that page. Lots of other people make key management hardware. Certainly, and those that do generally are involved in locksmithing tools as well. And much of that is all a very good job. It just turns out Lucky Line has an incredibly broad spectrum. Nobody has more variations of key rings than Lucky Line would. So you're looking at the document that's really going to give you the majority of choice. Any questions on the Lucky Line 77075 2-inch bag of 50 split key rings or any other Lucky Line product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.